Hey guys, what is going on? Hey guys, what is going on? Quinton from Non-Stop Builds here, down with Phil. He is also from Non-Stop Builds. Me and him created it. We're just going to go through some of the stuff that we are doing on this channel for you guys. And yeah, a little bit about ourselves. So,
I like sport, keeping fit of course guys. I like playing games, mate, and listening to music.
well, that's Phil. You like
Passing
sport,
back to
trying to
Quentin.
you like sport, trying to keep fit, trying to. Gaming, I know he's a gamer because I'm also a gamer, and music just like me. I also like a little bit of sport though. But anyway, let's get on to what we are going to be doing on this channel for you guys. Okay, so I'm pretty sure me and Phil decided we're going to be doing a little bit of pranking for you guys, a little bit of social experiments, some public pranks, and also a little bit of vlogs, like just random vlogs. And also we're going to be making a secondary channel if this one gets a certain number of subs, called Non-Stop Gaming, and that's where we are going to be doing all our gaming videos on there for you guys. So anything you'd like to say, Phil?
No.
Nah? Oh,
Let's start.
let's get this started. Hope you guys enjoy this. I just dropped my phone. I am special. Fuck off.
Special man.
I mean, stuff off. I don't want to get YouTube flagged me already. But I hope you guys enjoy our channel, and let's get straight into the first video. Hey guys, what's going on? Non-stop videos here. Today we are in an elevator starting off this video because why the hell not? But today we're going to be mucking around at my local shopping centre, so let's go do this. Hey guys, what's going on? Non-stop build here. Today we just went shopping. We went to Big W and we were just looking around there for stuff to help with a little bit of our pranks that we were going to do soon. And we found some handcuffs. These are metal cuffs. Thank you.
We love opinions any day.
But these are metal cuffs, and we're gonna test them out.
Now.
So Phil's gonna polish it. No, I'm gonna do polish. If he can actually get them on.
We should just lock them up here near the pole, shouldn't we? And actually do it. Okay. Shut up. Been harassing.
What have I done wrong, officer? Officer,
Okay, let's leave him.
Officer, what did I do wrong? Officer!
We'll just leave him until he says sorry.
Officer!
Oh, I've lost the key. I actually lost the key. Nah. I found the key. It was behind the ear.
Are you gonna let me go?
If I won't go in. So basically, if I can get the key out,
Put it in and twist it.
oh my wrist, it's pretty cool, aren't they?
Look at that.
If I put it on tight, tick.
No, but these work well. I was actually
You can actually
couldn't
catch,
do anything.
you know, random people.
So we might use these in a future prank, but these are really good to do. They're only like $25 from Big W here. I don't know about other stores, but yeah, these are
Really fancy. We could do it with some press right now. You want to volunteer again?
No, you want to volunteer?
No.
Why don't you try them actually?
Why don't you try? What about I can cut you to a tree?
There's a tree.
No, with one hand up. What about I pick up your ankle to your head?
No.
Well, you know what we
We might use this in the future prank. So
Now we should practice.
yeah. Let's go see if we can find anything else to show these guys.
Yes.
And I'm sorry that this ain't really a muck around video, it's just that there's not really anything to do in the shops. So we'll just go find some stuff, get it, and why did my leg.
Well,
There we go.
don't hold it too much, Nips. Oh,
Oi.
fuck, it's not gonna fit.
Yes. Hey. That won't fit. That won't fit.
Shut up.
Won't fit, dumbass. You're like the worst police officer here. Why not handcuff my ankle then, Beefy?
Well, that didn't work. I just thought. Now. There might be some running involved, but we can get in. Right, Chris? And welcome back.
Yeah.
Have you had fun stuck in the pole?
Yes.
Well, okay then.
Well, that's all for now. And we'll be back.
See you later.